Hi King folks, today I am showing you a local cuisine. It's Solapur cuisine. Most of the cooking here is done with a special masala called as Kala Masala. It is nothing but your garam masala with burnt coconut. Kala Masala is something like what garam masala powder we do at home, but in this I'll be adding Karela ka powder, Karala's coat, and basically we need burnt coconut, dry burnt coconut, and peanut powder. See, most of the Solapur cuisine has peanut powder in everything. So this is what we are doing. Today I am going to show you stuffed onion bhaji. This is stuffed onion bhaji. So this tastes very well. Most of you will like, especially Rahul, Gautam, Deepa, you have tasted our Solapur cuisine. So it has a different flavor. It has a different flavor. So here I am going to show you how I had done. I added all the masala. I'll show you here. So this is Karla's coat, garam, kala masala. Then I added some burnt coconut in this and peanut powder. Then from your spice box, I add halad, little of lal tikkat and dhane jeera powder and salt. Just for added flavor, I added some tamarind pulp also, and then I add lots of fresh cooked coriander. This is how we do for any bhaji. Now I have shown you this with onion. You can show this with potatoes, fried potato bhaji with the same masala, or even bengal masala, which all of you must be doing it. So this is how we are. After we mix this, we get a masala of this texture. All the ingredients, this is dry, no water is mixed in this. Okay. With the same masala, I stuff such type of onions, small onions. You can't call it a sambar onions, these are normal onions but of small size. I cut it into, I split it and I stuffed it with the masala. Usually the local cuisine, what they do, they tie a thread here so that the masala doesn't come, and they cook with the thread and afterwards they remove it. That also is better, but today I had them directly. I start in a normal iron kadai. I add this stuffed onions, fodni ghalun, apan we start a normal bhaji. So I shown you a little slightly cooked and put some water on it. After you fry for some time, after it is soft, I cover it with all this masala. You have to cover it and then you have to close it. Just cover this portion and then I cover it for a long time on a slow fire. So it slightly gets cooked. So this is how we do the onion stuffed bhaji. Okay, I had closed the lid on slow fire. Now you will see onions are getting steamed in oil. They are getting cooked. Then I mix it slowly because the masala should not come out. And if I feel the onions are little hard, I just put some water. I sprinkle some water on it to have a soft taste. But it's not a gravy vegetable. This is how you steam it again and again close the lid. While this is cooking, I'll show you another this one. I have taken fresh methi, fenugreek, and just added peanut powder, little of salt and lemon, and we have put some, I seasoned it with little of oil. So this is a fresh salad which we do seasonal. This is also usually done in all the houses in Solapur. This is with fenugreek salad. And today I am going to show you a very interesting chutney along with this menu which suits. So this is like chuka. If you must be knowing chuka pana, it is lot of calcium plus it is very sour. You don't need to add a drop of lemon also. So this is how you do. To suit this menu, I have also taken lots of garlic, whole garlic and peanuts. I just put it in a kadai the थोड़ा तूप घालून, काला masala, salt, little of red chili powder, and I just fried it a little on high flame to get that burnt taste for garlic and peanuts. This also tastes good because it's again kala masala, whichever we do it for the local food. So today we had done sukyasa chutney, lasoon peanut fry, and fresh methi salad with coconut and the onion stuffed bhaji. The last one to suit this menu is pitla, but into whatever Mami has taught the same way, but we do pitla, the seasoning is done later on, otherwise it is just like noodles. Pitla is a shaved patta and then they season it on the top. So this is like what we had done. This is very common here, and here it's called as vakili. So what we do, we put it in the shaved sacha, mold it, we have this and add all the seasoning later on. Usually they don't do pitlasa vada here, but they do a pitlasa shiv and then they serve it with bhakri. Actually all this cuisine is taught by my mother-in-law. Today this video is specially in memory of my mother-in-law, who has taught me wonderful cuisine of Sholapur, a systematic way and also not wasting things. Very systematic and meticulous cooking was taught by my mother-in-law. And of course, we have learned all this cooking art from my mommy, who is always artistic. She has been, her presentation is always good. I must have learned presentation of food from my mother from almost 25 years. She has taught me how you have to arrange the dinner, how you have to arrange the plates, how do you have to keep. So we are happy we are able to do all these things very well in our, after I got married, it was very easy for me to show and develop interest in cooking. So thank you folks. Today I'll just lay the food whatever I have cooked. Let's go to the dining table.